Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Didn't see you there. Hope you've been fine. I know I have. The DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. I'm very worried about the battery life of this ZV-1. And I've also heard that this thing is tiny and inobtrusive, and basically that the Creator Combo is a very good deal. Let's sure hope so. So after removing the plastic, we have this lovely little box here. Matte white. All of what's in the box on the side. Isn't that great? Can we do a dignified unboxing this time? Yes, we can. So this is basically a 4K video device that can also attach to your phone. And with all of the attachments, it can be quite powerful. So we basically start out with this. We have the main box, and then we have another box, and then we have the main recording video device and some papers with some very strange material on the back. Let's see what we've got in here. In here we have something. It is a wind muff. And also, what is this? Does it say anything on the box? Ah, yes. This is the wide angle lens. Okay, we have seems to be like a zillion things in here. So we have cable, mainly for charging and hooking stuff up with. We also have an attachment with a lightning connector. We have another attachment with a USB-C connector. We also have this, the multi-purpose stick. No, sorry, it's the mini control stick. Then we have some more stuff in here. We actually have a DJI wireless microphone. This looks a little bit different to the other DJI wireless mic. We have the do-it-all handle. We also have the mini tripod, which is indeed tiny. And this, which is the tripod mount. And so, the pièce de résistance. We have the device. Okay, easy does it. Wedge your thumb in there. Okay. This actually has some dampeners here, which I guess is nice. Also, you can attach it to the tripod. I don't know why you would want to have it on a tripod like that, but you can. I mean, look at this thing. It's tiny. Fits in my hand. So what does it say here? When using for the first time, follow the steps in the DJI Mimo app. Huh. So, Man, it's a good looking thing though. Here we have it's also a gimbal. So this thing will always be steady, which is much better than using digital image stabilization. All right. You have a nice shiny screen. I wonder how long that will be shiny. Here you have the power button. Here you have a record button. And this is another button. This thing slides right out. You know, so you can attach this, I hope. Is that right? It is! Look at that. Right, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm gonna have to read up on this, and next time what we'll do is hook this thing up and see if it works. So thanks for watching the simple unboxing video. I'll see you in the next one.